everyone. I'm Aisha and you are tuned in to the 635 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Our first story today from Outlook Money is about motorcycle road trips, which offer an adrenaline rush and require careful planning and safety measures. Essential skills, safety precautions, and proper gear are crucial for a successful and safe ride. Planning includes route, accommodation, permits, and understanding weather conditions. Motorcycling can be expensive, but costs can be managed with proper maintenance and planning. Specialized travel insurance is recommended for covering high-risk activities during trips. The article discusses the thrill and challenges of motorcycle road trips, emphasizing the importance of skills, safety, and planning. It highlights the need for proper gear, route planning, and understanding costs. Specialized travel insurance is advised for covering potential risks associated with adventurous rides. Our very own Amarnath Saxena, Chief Technical Officer, Commercial at Bajaj General Insurance says, the good news is that some players in the market offer adventure sports as part of their travel insurance policy. Many insurers offer a rider or add-on for adventure sports, which comes with an additional premium. Moving on to our next story today, Dainik Savera Times. The Agriculture Department has announced a crucial extension for the Prime Minister's crop insurance scheme. Farmers in the Sirmaur district now have until January 15, 2026 to ensure their Rabi season crops, specifically wheat and barley. This extension, approved by the central government, was granted to address technical difficulties and ensure no farmer misses out on this vital protection. The scheme safeguards crop from sowing to harvesting against natural calamities such as droughts and floods, and even covers post-harvest losses for up to 2 weeks. What makes this particularly accessible is the highly subsidized premium. For insured sums of rupees 60,000 per hectare for wheat and rupees 50,000 per hectare for barley, farmers only need to pay a mere 1.5%, with the balance covered by the state and central governments. Moving on to the next story from the news mill. While over 86% of Indian households now enjoy internet access and UPI usage has skyrocketed, this digital boom has also opened the door to sophisticated cyber threats. A recent report reveals that nearly a quarter of Indian companies have suffered cyber losses, exceeding $1 million in the last 3 years. In response, 87% of organizations plan to increase their cybersecurity budgets. Stepping into this critical space is SBI General Insurance with its new product, Cyber Vault Edge. This comprehensive policy is designed to protect individuals and businesses from the financial fallout of cybercrime, offering not just monetary compensation, but also crucial support services to navigate the aftermath of an attack. And for our final story today from Western Times Now, highlights that JSW MG Motor India have launched a program extending their assured buyback guarantee for EVs from 3 to a full 5 years. This initiative guarantees a fixed resale value at the end of the term, directly addressing one of the biggest hesitations for potential EV buyers: depreciation and resale value uncertainty. This program is facilitated in partnership with Lockton India Insurance and Zuno General Insurance, showcasing how insurers are playing a pivotal role in accelerating the adoption of green technology. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.